Hello, this is Wala Farhat, and today I'm going to be showing you how card magic is done. It all relies on one simple concept, and it's called control. The magician is able to control any card he wants to put it in any position in the deck. I'm going to use the Ace of Spades for this demonstration. We square the deck up, we turn it all around, we snap our finger, the ace appears on... oh, that's not the ace. The ace appears right on top. The ace is on top. We can take it now, put it anywhere in the middle, push it all the way in, you can see it, and once I snap my finger, it goes right on top. Let me mix these cards up a little bit. Now, after mixing it up, you can see that the ace is not the top card, it's not even the second card, but once I snap my finger, it appears right on top. The ace is on top, we take it, I'm gonna put it anywhere right here. Now, you see this card is very ambitious. Sometimes it gets very ambitious that it doesn't go just on top of the deck, but also it goes right up to my mouth.